Okay, we got the Surron unboxed. Let's see what's in the Track and Go box. This is the first time for us, maybe a first time for you. Oh, we did get a hitch that came with it. This isn't part of it. This is an extra item. So we got a hitch designed for towing right here. We'll see how that goes. Maybe you're gonna want to pull a sled out on the ice. You know, ice fishing, pulling the kids around, sleigh riding. Let's just pick the whole thing up. Slide that out of the way. Looking good, looking good. Let's cut her open. Looking like pretty good quality stuff on here. This is a Camso track, by the way. The kit does come out of Canada. So you've got your track system there, you've got your ski there. This is a guard to protect you, from getting in the drive mechanism. And we're going to have a mount kit. So there you have it. There's your unboxing video for what that's worth for you. We're going to take some time, get this baby put together, get it installed on the bike, and then we're going to have a ton of content out blasting the snow. The good news is it's pounding snow again today right here at the store. So we may be able to just drive it right out through the parking lot, but in about 9 miles, we're over 10,000 feet in elevation, and we're going to go test it out. We're going to bring you guys along for the ride. What do you think, Colby?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool? Let's check it out. We're going to get it built right now and see what's next.